Alright lads and lasses, fancy some proper gorom scran tonight, because if you like garlic you're in for a shock, man. We're talking the ultimate garlic chicken karahi, mind. While I'm here chatting away, the brilliant chef has got everything laid out proper for us. Look at it, all organised. Mine's usually shambles. Right, first up, the main event. That's right, the garlic mountain. The chef there, a machine with a knife, mind. Me. I'd still be greeting from the smell, alright, boy. But look at that, properly finely chopped it. See how they go over it 3 times? That's dedication. A quick wipe of the knife. Oil in. Look, right now the finely chopped garlic goes straight into that hot oil. Give it a good stir. Proper whiffy that is, in a good way, mind. Chilli time, you can practically smell them through the screen, eh? Proper aromatic. Another stir on that garlic. Listen to the sizzle, man. Chef knows exactly when I get it bubbling again. Right, that's smelling class. Now next up, we're cracking open these Asda chopped tomatoes straight from the tin. Proper handy, eh? Now once that garlic is looking proper brown and fragrant, in go those green chillies we chopped earlier. Hear the scrape of the knife as they slide into the pan, and the sizzle, man. Just a quick stir to let them release a bit of that heat. My nose is already doing a jig. Key butler. Right, now for seasoning. You can't have a proper scran without a bit of salt, eh? Chef's just opening the jar there and it goes in nice drizzle. Not too much, not too little. Right then, time for the main ingredient. Our chicken, already chopped and skinned, comes straight out of the bowl into the karahi. Yeah, that proper sizzle as it hits the pan, man. Oh, and that's the sound of flavour getting ready. The chef's making sure every piece gets into there. No missing bits, mind. Give it a good stir now, making sure every bit's coated in those spices and getting that proper sear. And just like that, the karahi has been uncovered. The aroma's already proper building. Now, these Asda chopped tomatoes. Aye, they might have been opened a bit earlier, but they're going in now. No time waste, mind. Pop the lid and let it simmer for a few minutes. Now as our karahi finishes cooking up proper nice, the chef is getting the fresh coriander ready. Look at that, chopped so fine, proper green, proper fresh. This is going to add canny bit of zing, man. And look at that, a final sprinkle of fresh coriander right over the top. Makes it look all fancy, yeah? Like something from a posh restaurant, but it's just us from Scranmart making proper scran. Just a quick final stir now, making sure all those amazing flavours are properly mingled. The chef wants it perfect, mind. And for an extra touch, one more little sprinkle of coriander. That's how you know it's proper finished, man. Looks absolutely canny. Right then, the karahi's done. So now it's my turn to prove I can actually put food on a plate without making a monumental mess. First things first, gotta find a clean plate. All is a challenge after a busy week. Now the healthy bit, a good pile of brown wholemeal rice. See, we're balanced here, mind, flavour and fibre. And for the main event, look at that karahi, glorious. Getting it from the pan and plate without dropping half of it on the floor. That's my biggest challenge. Alright, boy. No scran left behind it. Proper committed me, just like making it all pretty now. Almost done. Alhamdulillah. Right, now no proper scran is complete without a refreshing drink, is it? Got to stay hydrated after all of that narrating. Grabbing some trusty Asda sparkling water from the fridge. See, proper healthy meal. Yeah, that fizz, man. That's the sound of pure refreshment. Going straight into a proper Stanley Stein beer mug. Aye, that's it. Looking like a pint. But it's just sparkling water, mate. And now for the grand finale. Sitting down with my masterpiece. This is life, eh? Ready, get stuck in.